Welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to learn how to import images onto our workspace. So this lesson you'll be learning two ways. So the first way is you go to File, you look for Place Embedded, you click on it in your folder or wherever your image is. You click on the image, you click on Place, then your image is there. Then enter. You can choose to enlarge it by position it well. The second way is you just drag your image onto your workspace. So let me drag an image. I just drag, you see I'm dragging it. So you drag and you leave it and it will come. Then that's all. So these are the two ways you can use in importing image onto your workspace. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.